Rishika now. Rishika, so are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Rishika, you tell me what you do in your free hours in your college. Also tell me in which kind of activities you are involved in your college.
सर कॉलेज मतलब स्कूल में ना.
कॉलेज स्कूल अलग होता है, कॉलेज अलग होता है.
ओके. सर, I have done my graduation from distance college, so I attended
Okay,
only exam.
okay. You attended only exam.
Yes, sir. As I was a part of the school now from BSc first year.
Okay, all right, all right. I will change the person. I would like to ask from Maya. Maya, you tell me that in which kind of activities you are involved in your college times, and also tell me that what you do in your free hours in your college.
So during my college day, I was actively participated in annual functions like gathering, then in a sorry, in a innovation program. Like if I'm from the engineering background, so I was participated in technical events like one DRDO composite material session was there, so I was volunteer for that. And so during my free hours, I used to help my friends in studies, and we also work on a project. And other than that, we go for a uh, sorry, we go for a healthy discussions like related to the exam point of view.
ठीक है, ओके. अभी मैं
That's
इसी
all.
क्वेश्चन को अमेंडमेंट करूंगा, इसी क्वेश्चन को आंसर करूंगा मैं एक तरीके से. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आंसर पूछना चाहूंगा किन से. आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क फ्रॉम इन राघवेन से पूछूंगा मैं ये वाला सेम क्वेश्चन. राघवेन, यू कैन आंसर. हेलो राघवेन, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. हेलो. हेलो राघवेन. हेलो. हेलो. आवाज आ रही है मेरी? हेलो राघवेंद्र, आवाज आ रही है आपको? शायद से उनका नेटवर्क इश्यूज आ रहा है. नाउ नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क फ्रॉम अंकिता. अंकिता, यू टेल मी द सेम आंसर, सेम क्वेश्चन आंसर.
सर क्वेश्चन ये था कि व्हाट यू डू इन ओके ओके ठीक है. So sir, the activities that I participated in school in college is that I was a part of my college dance group called the Pirates, where we used to attend different fests of different college fests, and we won first prize everywhere. I was a part of an NGO called Child Rights in You, where we used to impart knowledge during the weekends, finding cluster areas near Yashwanthpur. And when I was not at Child Rights at You, me and my college friends started an NGO called Abhikalpana, where our focus was on finding the slum areas and children around college, to give them education, bought them textbooks, books, pens, and we used to also play with them after school hours. Apart from this, sir, I was the head organizer of my departmental fest 4D, where I was leading 19 volunteers, juniors, and we held one of the biggest fests in 8 years. And apart from this, sir, when it comes to sports, I represented my department for athletics, and we also won competitions during fests. What did I do in free hours in college is, sir, me and my friends used to go to canteen, and we used to have healthy discussions on topics, or we used to go to play badminton, or we used to go play in the ground sometimes. Apart from this, we used to sometimes go out of college and find some interesting place near college to explore it. And then we used to go to library sometimes and study if we have any doubts. We used to go to teachers and clarify our doubts when they which would be helpful for exams.
Okay,
This
that's
is
great. That's great. I can see that there are some candidates who are actually listening interview very well, who are actually listening interview very keenly. अंकिता, आपने इंटरव्यू अच्छे से सुना है ना शायद से? आजकल सुन रही हो इंटरव्यू आप? सो ये वाला क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड है शायद से, क्यों?
हाँ सर, मतलब
हाँ?
इंटरव्यूज ही देख रही हूँ सर आजकल मैं।
देख रही हो?
हाँ सर, इंटरव्यूज देख रही हूँ मैं।
ठीक है। सो आई थिंक यू हैव इवन लिसन द रिव्यू ऑफ माइन, जो मैं फीडबैक दे रहा था। आई थिंक
हाँ
यू हैव लिसन इट केयरफुली। ठीक है,
हाँ
एंड यू कैन, माया, यू कैन ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम हर। द वे शी हैज प्रेजेंटेड हरसेल्फ, रिप्रेजेंटेड हरसेल्फ, प्रोजेक्टेड हरसेल्फ। ठीक है, शी हैज मेंशन्ड ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट वेरी डिटेल, इन अ फाइन डिटेल मैनर। इंद्रनील, आपने देखा है ना?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि इन्होंने हर, मतलब कि मैं जो हमेशा फोकस करता हूँ, एंड व्हाट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग, मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था अंकिता से इतना अच्छा आंसर, बट शी हैज गिवन अ वेरी गुड आंसर इन अ क्रिस्प शॉर्ट डिटेल्ड मैनर। क्रिस्प शॉर्ट था, डिटेल था, क्वांटिटी थी, क्वालिटी थी, दोनों चीज थी इसमें। जब व्हेन शी हैज एक्सप्लेन्ड अबाउट दैट what were the various activities she has participated, she has mentioned about the NGO also, she has mentioned about the extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, she has mentioned even about her fest organization also। ठीक है, करा उन्होंने। फिर इसके बाद thereafter she has told about the answer that what she do in her free hours. She has mentioned about that they used to go to the park and some discuss some events also, and they also go to the library section, है ना? अंकिता, you can also add many things। मैंने जो आंसर एग्जांपल बताए थे वहां पर, you can sometimes discuss the doubts with your friend circle, and you can also discuss the various topics in front of the lectern and deliver the topic, या फिर deliver the speech on particular topic। At the same time, you also clean the class so as to make it clean, या फिर so as to keep it tidy, है ना? Apart from that, you can also go to the notice board, and you can spread the message, या फिर spread the notice, whatever it is the latest happening in the college। Also um, you can also resolve your doubts with your teachers, हो सकता है ना? इस तरीके से there are many things to do। So Maya,
ठीक है।
I hope you also got the answer कि how do you have to project yourself। Your answer was also fine, but I always look for the improvement, है ना? Even you were
Yes,
100%
sir.
accurate।
Yes,
हम यहाँ पर इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए हैं।
yes, sir.
आपका आंसर जो बेस्ट से बेस्ट आप जो प्रेजेंट कर पाओ, that can actually bring the result। ठीक है, आज के लिए 2 क्वेश्चंस काफी हैं। मैं आई वांट कि एटलीस्ट 2 क्वेश्चन हो, लेकिन हमारा आइडिया क्या रहता है, हमारा जो गोल रहता है वो फुलफिल होना चाहिए हमारा यहाँ से। हम्म, ठीक